Arjan, and today we are gonna be unboxing these two boxes. One of them is Mickey Mouse, and the other is just X, just X. So yeah, what should I choose first? Right. I don't know what I'm. Right, this one. Oh, it's the X. Alright, so this one's gonna be for later. So yeah, here's the X. Here's what could come out. We got 4 eggs, and then each of them have 3 different expressions. The first one being the normal, the second one being another, and the third one being another. So yeah, let's get started. Alright. I don't know if this is the way I'm supposed to open it, but okay. Alright. I don't know if this is the way I'm supposed to open it, but okay. Oh, I feel something. Alright, there you go. Alright, I got the bag. Now let's just put this stuff aside. So yeah. Let's see what I got inside the bag. And I need some scissors to open it. Yeah, whatever, I could just open it by hand. Okay, yeah, maybe I do need some scissors, or I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna get some scissors. Now after cutting it with the scissors, now let's see what I got. And look, it's a yellow ball. Oh, let's just put this aside. It's a yellow ball. Let me just. Alright, hold up. Okay. It was that easy. I was just struggling for nothing. So yeah, I think there's some instructions here, but here's the end. Alright, now let's see. Oh, so we have rotate like this. I don't understand. It's still not Chinese. Anyways, so yeah, here's the egg. Pretty cool. It has this stem thing. I don't know. And I can do over here, like that. So yeah, I'm gonna put this over here. Now we got the Mickey surprise. I almost dropped it. Anyways. Let's get to opening. Let's go. Watch me open this. Savage time. Okay, why does this come in a bag? Alright, so I need some scissors again. But I didn't think I need some right now. I'll try and open it like that only. Okay. Come on. I don't need these scissors. I'm almost there. There we go. Let's see what we got. And then here's Pluto. Bark. And here's something else. Oh, it's this boat, and it's his boat, so he can eat and stuff. So yeah. And then here's his place to sit. I don't know. So yeah. Let's put this over here. So yeah. Wow, look. So I can put Pluto over here. Like this. Look. Then his boats are gonna be over here. Like there. Like this. So I'll just put this over here. Oh my god, it's a beautiful day today! I hope nobody got. Oh my god, I got a camera, you rich! I'm taking this ball back to my store. You stole from me! Oh cool, a boat. Let me just take this. I will also take this. So yeah, see ya. I'm just gonna go back to my way. Anyways, that's the end of the video. If you guys like this video, smash the like button. I'll see you guys in this one. Goodbye! Also, I gotta give away one of these like little fellas over here from my school. If one of my friends or classmates watching this video, then I'm gonna give him one of these little toys. It could be random or I don't know. So yeah, see you later, and I'll see you on to the next video, which is gonna be, I don't know, probably like next week. Anyway, see ya.